Hi everyone. So 6th class students, welcome again to my class. So your academic year has been started. So this year our Telangana government is making your study very easier, okay, by sending worksheets. So I'm starting your maths worksheet, okay. I'm starting worksheet 1. Unit is bigger numbers and the topic and the concept is expansion of numbers and ascending descending order. Okay, this is a readiness program of level 1. So in the first section learning outcomes is there, in the second section conceptual understanding is there. Okay, so the second bit first sum is during the summer holidays Anita, okay, and Anita's younger brother, okay, Anita is having a younger brother named as Rakesh, made numbers with the digits 2 5 6 9. Okay, they have made numbers with these 4 digits 2 5 6 9. Okay, Anita's number is 6952 and Rakesh number is 6925. Okay, here 52 is given, here 25 is given. So Rakesh asked which of these two numbers is the largest number. Anita explained by the expansion form. Rakesh is asking to Anita. Anita explain these numbers in the expansion form. Okay, so first we'll take Anita's number. Anita's number is 6952. It is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. It is 6952. So we can write it as 6 into, as it is in thousand, so we have to write here 1000, plus 9 into 9 is there in 100, so we have to write here 100, plus 5 into 10 plus 2 into 1. So 6000 plus 900, 9 into 100 is 900, 6 into 1000 is 6000, plus 5 into 10 is 50, plus 2. So we can write it as 6952. Okay, so next number is Rakesh number. Rakesh number is 6925 again. Again you have to write here 6 into 1000 plus 9 into 100 plus 20 into 10 plus 5 into 1. 6 into 1000 is 6000 plus 9 into 100 is 900 plus 2 into 10 is 20 plus 5 into 1 is 5. 5 ones are 5. So it can be written as 6900. Okay, 6925. Okay, 6925. So we have written it in expansion form. So the first number is 6952. Second number is 6925. So in this number, the values of the numbers are equal in the place of thousands and hundred. But it is different. It is different in tens and ones. Okay, here 52 is given. Here 25 is given. So we have to see which number is greater here. Okay, if we see these two numbers, here 52 is given, here 25 is given. So which number is bigger here? 52 is bigger. So you can write it as 6952, okay, is greater than 6925. Okay, or 6925, okay, is less than 6952. Okay, so this is the greater than symbol, this is the less than symbol. Okay, so in this symbol always you have to open the mouth of the symbol towards the bigger number. Okay, and the tip of the symbol comes towards the smaller number. Okay, second sum is how many 4-digit number can be made with the digits 2, 5, 6 and 9. Here 4 digits are given, 2, 5, 6 and 9. You have to make 4-digit numbers, okay, with this 2, 5, 6, 9. Okay, so try it. Now the solution is approximately 24 4-digit number can be made from the digits 2, 5, 6, 9. Okay, so here some example is given: 2, 5, 6, 9, 2, 9, 5, 6, 2, 6, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9, 6. So now the number is started with 2. So we will start with greater number. What is the greater number here? 9. 9 is the greater number. Then next greater number is here 6. Then next greater number is 5. Then 2. We'll start from 9. Okay, or you want to start from 6, you can start from 6 also. So 9652, with this 9652 will make other numbers. Okay, 9 5 9 5 6 2. Then 9 2 6 5. 9 2 6 5. So here 9 5 6 2 is over. Then 9 2 6 5 is over. Again one more number is there. 9 2 9 2 5 6. Okay, then we'll make next number with 6. We'll start with 6. Okay, 6 9 5 2. Then we will write 6 2 9 5 or 6 2 5 9. Okay, 6 2 5 9, 6 2 9 5. Okay, then 6 5 9 2. Then 6 5 9 2. Now we'll start with 5. 5 6 5 6 9 2. You can take any numbers. Okay, 5 6 9 2, 5 6 2 9, 5 2 9 6, then 5 2 6 9. Then 5 over 6 over, we have taken 9 also. We can take 2 9 6 5 also here. 2 9 6 5. Here 2 6 5 9 is there. We can take it as 2 6 9 5. Okay, we can take this also as 2 5. Here 6 9 is given. Okay, so we will take here 5 5 9 5 9 2 6. Then 5 9 6 2. Okay, so we have taken here 9652. Here 9652 is there now. 9625. We have not taken 9625. No, we have not taken 9625. We can write here. Okay, then one more. You can write any numbers. Okay, think and write. You can make any numbers. Okay, so we can write here 9 5. Here 6 2 is there, so we can write as 2 6 also. So we have taken here 6 9 5 2. We can take 6 9 2 5. We have not taken 6 9 2 5. Okay, so here 6 5 9 2 is there. We can write it as 6 5 9 2 is there. 2 9 6 5 2 9. So here are the numbers made with this 4 digits 2 5 6 9. Okay, you can write with your own also. Now we will write the greater number. Which is the greatest number here? First greatest number this is 9. Okay, 9 is the first greater number. Then second one is 6. Then the third one is 5. Then last one is 2. Okay, similarly smaller number means 2 5 6 9. Okay, 2 5 6 9. 2 5 6 9. Okay, this is the smaller number among these all. Third bit, first sum is write the following numbers in the form of expansion. Okay, first sum, one example is given for you. First one is 1 tens 100,000, it is 5026. Okay, 5000 plus 20 plus 6. Okay, so next sum is 1 tens 100,000. 1 tens 100,000 means it is 9,959. So you have to write here 9,000, here 900, here 50, here 9. Okay, here 59. 1 tens 100,000, it is 8,000. First here 8,000, then 808. Okay, so 800 plus 0 plus 8. So here 1 tens 100,000, it is 4,050. Okay, 4,000 plus 0 plus 50. 50 means you have to write here 50. 50, 50 plus 0 plus 0. Next one is 1 tens 100,000, it is 7,550. 7,550. So here 550. 50 plus 0 is 50. So if we add this, 9,000 is there here, 9,000 is there here, and 900 is there here. Okay, so 50 is there here plus 9. So 9,900 plus 50 plus 9 is 9,959. Okay, so here 8,000 is there, 800 is there, 800 plus 0 is 800 only, then 8 is there. Okay, in ones 8 is there, in tens nothing is there, but in 100 800 is there. Okay, here 4,050, 4,000 you have to write. Okay, then plus 0, 4,000 plus 0 is 4,000 only. 50, 50 plus 0 is 50 only. So here nothing is there in 100. Okay, and ones also. So here 7,000 plus 500 plus 50, 7,550. So in ones 0 is there here. Okay, so like this you can remember this expansion form. Second sum is prepare as many numbers as possible with the following numbers and write them in the gaps. Okay, write 4-digit numbers using the digits 5, 4, 6, 3. Again we have to make numbers. Okay, and we have to write here. Example is given here. It is 5463, 5436. Okay, so in the second number these last two digits is changed. Okay, here 5634 is there, 5643 is there. So what we have to do, first we will take the bigger number here. What is the bigger number here? 6, then 5, then 4, then 3. Okay, then what we'll do, we'll write 6 5 as it is. We will change this. Okay, 3 4, this 4 3 as 3 4. This is the second number we got. And then what we'll do now, we will take 5 6. Okay, here 6 5, we have taken two numbers with 6 5. Now we'll take 5 6. Okay, 5 6 4 3, 5 6 4 3, then 5 6 3 4, it is given here. Then one more number 6 5 6 5 5 6 we will write. Okay, 6 5 5 6, 5 6. Now next number, here we are starting the number with 6, here we are starting the number with 5, then we will start the number with 4. Okay, 4 6 3 5, we'll write first 4 6 3 5, 4 5 6 3, 4 5 6 3, then 4 6 3 5 we have taken, 4 6 5 3 we will take. Then 5 3 4 6 will take. Okay, then 4 5 3 6, here 6 3 is there, we'll take it as 3 6. Okay, 4 3, then 4 3 5 6, then 3 4 5 6. We can take 3 4 5 6 also, na? 3 4 5 6, then 3 5 4 6, then 3 6 4 5, then 3 6 5 4, then 3 4 6 5, 5 6 we have taken, we'll take 6 5, then 3 5 3 5 6 4. You can take many numbers, okay? We can take here 3 6 5 4, here 3 6 4 5, 3 6 4 5 we have taken here. Like this we can take many numbers, okay? So like this you have to write the 4-digit numbers, okay? You can take any numbers with your wish. Number is here. First largest number among these 4 digits is 6. Then 5 4 3 is there. Among these 3, which is the largest number? 5. Then 4. Okay, sorry, don't write this commas, okay? 6 5, then 4, then 3. Smallest number is 3 4 5 6. Okay, like this you have to write largest number and smallest number. Again in this 2 bits are there. B1 is write the 4-digit numbers using the digits 3086. Same method. Okay, first we will write the greater number, it is 8, then 6, then we'll write 0, then 3. Okay, then 8630. Okay, then 6830, 6830, 3680, 3680, 3680, then 3086, 3086, then 3806, 3806, 06. Okay, then we will take 8 we have taken, 6 we will take here 6 first. 6830, then 6803, then 6308. Okay, then 6308 we have taken, 6380 we have not taken, 6380. Okay, then we will take then we will take 8036, 8036, then 8063, 8063 we have taken, no we have not taken. Okay, like this. What is the larger number here? The larger number is 3086. Larger number means first we will write 8 first, then 6, then 3, then 0. Okay, this is the larger number. Smaller number, what is the smaller number here? Smaller number means first we will write 3, then 0, 0 8 6. Okay, like this you have to form numbers with these 4 digits. Third bit third sum is write the largest and smallest number in the table using the digits given below. So one example is given for you, digits 4138, and the largest number in this. First you have to see this among these 4 digits which is the largest number. Okay, 8 is the larger number, then 4, then 3, then 1. Okay, then in the smaller number you have to take 1 3. Okay, the smaller number you have to take 1 3, it is 4 8. Okay, it is 4 8. Okay, first you have to take first smaller number, it is 1. Then again among these three, which is the smallest number? 3. Among these two, 4. Then 8. Okay, like this. So here 2065 is there. In these 4 digit, which is a smaller number, which is a larger number here? 6. Then 5. Then 2. Then 0. 6520 is the larger number. The smaller number means, so smaller number means don't start from 0. Okay, we will take 2. Okay, 2. Then we will take 0. Then 5. Then 6. Okay. So next one is 7903. 7903 means here the larger number is 9. Then among these three, 703, which is a larger number? 7. Then 3. Then 0. Now the smaller number. Smaller number is here 3. Okay. 0. Then 7, 9. 7, 9. Okay. If you take 0, then what will happen here? If you write 0, 3, 7, 9, it will become 379. Okay. It does not make 4-digit number. So 5921. 5921 means 9. 9 is the bigger number here. Then 521. Among these three, which is a bigger number? 5. 9, 5. Then 2. Then 1. So 1 is a smaller number among these 4. Then 2. Then 5. Then 9. Okay. 1, 2, 5, 9. Then 3879 means 9 is the bigger number. Then 8. Then 7. Then 3. 3789 is the smaller number. 3789. Okay, like this you can write largest number and the smaller number. It is 1086. Okay, it is 1086. If you take 1086, if you take 1080, it is a smaller number only. Okay, sum is write the numbers in ascending and descending order using the sign. Okay, greater than and smaller. So a bit is 8406. 5200 is second one, and third one is 9631, 7538, 2540. So you have to write this in ascending order. Ascending order means from small to big. So which is the smaller number here? Here 8000 is given, here 5000, here 9000, here 7000, here 2000. So first one is 2000. Okay, 2540. Then second one is 5000. 5200. Okay, we have to write symbols. Okay, we have to write this ascending order in symbols. So next one is 7000. Then 7538. Then next one is 8406. 8406. Then 9631. 9631. So you have to write the ascending order symbol. Ascending order symbol means what you have to do? You have to take this symbol. Okay, this first one. So this 2540 is less than 5200. Okay, then this 5200 is less than 7538. This is the less than symbol. And this 7538 is less than 8406. Then this 8406 is less than 9631. Like this you have to use this symbol. So we are writing in ascending order means we have to write numbers from small to big. Then descending order. Descending order means we'll start from here. Okay, we'll take this greater number here first. Big to small. Okay, 9631. Then 8406. 8406. then 7538, then 5200, 5200, then 2540. Big to small, from bigger number to smaller number. Then here which symbol you have to use? This symbol. Okay, greater number, big to small, we are writing from big to small. So 9631 is greater than 8406, and this 8406 is greater than 7538. Okay, and this 7538 is greater than 5200, and this 5200 is greater than 2540. Okay, like this you have to write ascending order and descending order using a sign. Okay, B1 is 5486, 2486, 8486, 9000 and 1000. Here 486 is given in all the numbers. So only 5000 thousands is different here. Okay, 5000, 2000, 8000, 9000, 1000. So small to big means which is a smaller number here? 1000. Okay, 1486. After 1000, 2000. 2486. Okay, after 2000, 5000. Okay, 5486. After 5000, 8000, then 9000. 8486, then 9486. Again you have to write here symbol. Okay, sorry, like this. You have to open the mouth of the symbol towards the bigger number. Okay, now in descending order, big to small. First we'll take this number 9486, then we will write 8486, then 5486, then 2486, then 1486. Okay, next sum is 4180, 2006, 8081, 9400. It is 1080. 1080. So ascending order means again you have to take smaller number first. So here 4000, 2000, 8000, 9000, 1000 is there. So first you have to take 1080. Then you have to take which number? 2000. Okay, 2006. Then 4000, 4180. Then after 4000, what you have to take? 8000, then 9000. 8081, then 9400. Okay, then in descending order, again big to small. Okay, 9400, then 8081, then 4180, then 2006, then 1080. Like this you have to represent ascending and descending order with symbols. Okay, the one is write the following numbers in words. Okay, in words means here ones, tens, 100,000. Okay, ones, tens, 100,000 means 5496. Like this you have to write in words. Okay, they are given in numbers, you have to write it in words. It is 5000, it is 5496, 496. Then 2008, ones, tens, 100,000. It is 2008. It is 2008. Next one is ones, tens, 100,000. It is 3300. 340. 340. Ones, tens, 100,000. 3,340. Next one is ones, tens, 100,000. It is 9,839. Okay. Then next one is ones, tens, 100,000. 6,000. 6,660. 6,660. Okay. Like this you have to write these numbers in words. Bit solve the following problems. So you have to solve these problems. Okay. First one is I am a 4-digit number. I am a 4-digit number. 6 is in thousands place. Okay. 6 is in thousand place. 7 is in hundred place. And 8 is in tens place. 8 is in tens place. And 9 is in ones place. So this is the number. Who am I? I am 6,789. Okay. So this is the number. Ones, tens, 100,000. Okay. 9 in ones place. 8 in tens place. 7 in hundred place. 6 in thousand place. B1 is write all the 4-digit numbers where the digit in the thousands place is 4 times the digit in the units place, and the digit in the hundred place is 3 times the digit in the ones place, and the digit in the tens place is 2 times the digit in the ones place. That means no number is given in the ones place. Okay. So what we have to do, in the ones place nothing is there, so we have to take it as x. So in the tens place what is there here? 2 times the digit in the tens place. Okay, 2 times the digit in the tens place means we have to take 2 into x, that is 2x. Okay, so 3 times the digit in the ones place. Okay, so the digit in the hundreds place is 3 times the digit in the ones place. Okay, so 3 times the digit in the we have to take the digits 3 times. Okay, 3 times means 3. Okay, 3 times the digit in the ones place. Okay, 3 into x. Then 1000, where the digit in the thousand place is 4 times the digit in the units place. Okay, units means ones place. 4 times it is thousands. So in the tens place, the digit in the tens place, the digit is 2 times of the ones place. Okay, then 3 times of the ones place again in the hundreds. Then in the thousands 4 times of the ones place. Okay, it is 100, it is 1000. Okay, so we don't know the digit in the units place or ones place, we are taking it as x. So in the tens place what is there here? In the tens place again I am explaining you, in the tens place 2 times the digit in the tens place. 2 times means 2 into x in the ones place. Okay, 2 into x you have to do. Then hundreds place what is there? 3 times the digit in the ones place. 3 times the digit in the ones place. 3 into x, that is 3x. 2 into x, that is 2x. Then 4 times means 4 into x. 1000 place, in the 1000 place 4 into x. Then here we have got 4x, 3x, 2x and x. So what we have to do for expansion? 4 into, what is x here? It is 1000, plus we can write this as 3 into 100 plus 2 into 10. Okay, plus 1. Okay, into 1 into, only 1 we can take, no need to take into here. Okay, only 1 is there here now. Before x 1 is there here. If no number is there means you have to take here 1. So plus 1. So 4 into 1000, it is 4321. It is 4321. Okay, now you have to make numbers with this 4321. How many numbers? Many numbers you can make. Okay, for example 1 2 3 4. Okay, 3 241. Okay, then 4 4 2 3 1. Many numbers you can make. Okay, I have shown you in the previous problem now how to make numbers. You can make many numbers with this number. Okay, like this you have to do. Seventh sum is encircle the larger number of the following. You have to encircle the larger number. Okay, larger number means in the A bit 5491 is there, 5091, 5691, 5291. 5000 is given in all the numbers, but here 400 is given, here 91, here 600, here 200. Means 600 is the larger number, so you have to round it. Okay, like this. Encircle, we are doing encircling. So B bit is 2006, 2016, 2216, 2206. So 2000 is given in all the numbers, but here 6, here 16, here 200, here 206, here 216. So we have to take 216. Okay. Next one is 3549, 6732, 4964, 5296. Here 6000 is there, 3000 is there, 4000 is there, 5000 is there. Which is a larger number? 6000. So you have to encircle this number. Okay, like this you have to encircle the larger number. Eighth sum is encircle the larger number of the following. Again same you have to do, encircle the larger number. 2000 is given, here 1000, here 3000, here 6000. So which is the larger number among this? 6000. So you have to encircle this number. Next one is 7000, 8000, 5000, 2000 is given. So which one is the larger number? 8000. So no need to see all numbers. Okay, you can see the first number also. Okay, here 7000 is there, here 8000, here 5000, here 2000. So you can take 8000. Okay, you can encircle it. Here 2000 is there, again here 3000, here 1000, here 4000. So which is a bigger number here? 2 is there, 3 is there, 1 is there, 4 is there. Means 4 is the bigger number. So you have to encircle this number, larger number. Okay, like this you have to do. Okay, with this we have completed worksheet 1. Okay, in my next video I will explain you worksheet 2. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.